this meeting. Today concept name is keyword driven framework. Today concept name is keyword driven framework. If you want to work with keyword driven framework, first of all you should create Marvin project. So how to create the Marvin project? Already we know. Already we have Marvin configuration. Already we have. So go to Luna. So hybrid also same. So just you should concentrate only just Marvin. I'm taking Marvin. Click on finish. This is the Marvin project. First in the form XML. Go to form XML. So here we have how many dependencies? One is dependencies list here is not available in the nodes available. So nodes, just go to MindQ systems. Marvin framework. How many dependencies we have? One is Marvin, second one is TestNG, third one is Selenium jars, JUnit2, Apache Marvin plugins. Okay, but there is no XLSX. We don't have any XLSX. Copy. Control V. Okay, right. We need to add one more dependency, XLSX file. So how to get the XLSX file? So first of all, save. Here we have Marvin project, TestNG, Selenium WebDriver, JUnit2, Marvin Surface, Apache programs, Apache files. Okay, now I want to add XLSX add-in, XLSX
Sir,
dependency. Sir.
can you please increase the font size, sir?
Wait, 1 second, sir. 1 second.
Yeah, okay.
Go to Google. Maven XLSX dependency. If you want any dependency, go and check it. Maven repository, Waj Apache Poi, no XLSX, Maven repository XLSX. Already we have XLS Poi files. Already we have, but I am taking another dependency, that is XLSX. This is the XLSX group ID managed XLSX artifact ID motion dependency artifact. XLSX. Here only we can get. We will try with this. Right. This is the dependency. Easy. If you want any dependency, no need to write. Just I am adding one more dependency. That dependency name. Control V. It is not showing any error. XLSX dependency. XLSX dependency. Save. No. Just go to form run as, go to test ng, run as, test ng suite, okay, go to test ng. Oh, I didn't convert first. We need to convert to test ng. No, 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 no. Test ng reports XLSS. No need of Yami. Click on OK. First architecture we will create. After that we can set the Marvin dependencies, test ng dependencies. Files also came. Just we need to get only Excel dependency. So just go to test ng, convert to form. Already we added. Right. This is the Maven dependencies. Here we have one is first Maven project creation. Second one is testing. Third one is XLSX schemer, and that is XLSX dependency. Next is Selenium Java, Selenium WebDriver dependency, JNU dependency, Apache Maven dependency. Okay, right. Now go to architecture. First of all, go to one architecture. SRC main. Just go to Java. Take new
Sir, your font is very low, sir. Can you increase your font?
Windows preferences, general appearance, color and fonts, Java edit font edit. I am keeping 20. It is not increasing. Apply. Okay. This is the font size. No, it is not increasing, sir. So here this is not important. Come, I'm
Okay.
going to SRC. Okay. SRC main Java. First step. SRC go to main Java. Okay. So create one project. New project. Project name is Java project. Click on next. Keyword driven framework. Keyword driven framework. Keyword driven framework. So some days I will maintain this folder same to same. Some years also I will maintain like this. Keyword driven framework. I created one keyword driven framework. No, 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 no. Not this here. Delete. Okay. Go to this under. Take the new project. Java project. Click on next. Keyword driven. Click on finish. Here only it is taking. Keyword driven. Delete. Click on OK. Right click. New package. Keyword driven. Keyword driven. Click on finish. Right. In this keyword driven framework, we need to create two folders. One is right click, take the new class. Class name is first driver script. Driver script. Class name is driver script. Class name is driver script. Class name is driver script. Click on finish. Okay, right. Next, go to keyword driven. Take the new class. Class name is reusable functions. Reusable CTIONs. Reusable functions. Reusable functions. So yesterday we have taken reusable function. Can I take the main class or directly I wrote? Okay. Did I take main class or directly I wrote? Reusable functions. Reusable functions. No need of main class. Click on finish. Right.
Yeah, you have written that.
Okay. One is reusable function. Second one is driver script. Third one is XML. No need of this one. Okay. Keyword driven framework. So this is the our main. Next, and come to architecture. First of all, we are creating. Now come to SRC main resources. Come to SRC main resources. Just take new classes. Take new class. Class name is config properties. Config properties. Config properties. Or if I take once, try it. Wait. If I take config properties, no, this is not correct way. So we need to create the property file. Just delete it. Right click. Go to new. Other. General. File. Property file. Config properties. Config properties. Click on finish. All right. Property file always should be like. Okay. Right. 3 over. Fourth one is XLS file. Here need to come. Go to resources. Take new XLS file. There is no chance other. No, just we need to Java, XML, XML, and Windows. No, 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 XLS file format. No, where is the test XMLS file? Okay, here two driver script, second one is reusable function, third one here we need to execute the pxml file. So if I click on run, go to right click, run as, no, send to test engine. Where is the option? What is the steps? Madam, do you remember what is the step? Sir, after writing the
Which step,
code,
ma'am?
convert, first of all we need to convert into test engine. Where? Just create test engine need to come here.
First, we need to write the test-ng program. Then we need to convert it to convert, right? Then it will create testng.xml file.
Just go to test
That's what
engine,
I remember, ma'am.
convert to YAML. YAML it is coming. testing.
No, sir, I think we need to convert the
As
program into test-ng.
convert to testing. Right, right. Program into test engine. Now here right click test engine, import data. Okay, but just go to right, go to concept. So first go to driver script. First reusable functions. Yesterday we wrote reusable functions. We got some error. So but today we will not get any error. Yesterday key. Reusable functions. Copy. Control V. Okay. Yesterday we wrote it this line. This is the concept. Yesterday we wrote it, right? So reusable functions. After that, we have taken one class, public class, reusable functions. Reusable functions. After that, here we should write. We are right. Yesterday we did one mistake. That is web driver. Right. Web driver. After writing web driver. Okay. So here we need to write one reusable function. Public reusable functions. Reusable functions. CTIONs. Reusable functions. Function bracket. Curly bracket. This web driver. This dot driver equal to driver. Yesterday we did mistake here. This dot driver equal to driver. This dot driver equal to driver. Oh, here function bracket required, I think. Right. Web driver.
No, sir, I don't think so.
What, madam?
Function bracket doesn't require it, sir.
Right. This is the yesterday concept. Here we got mistake. Okay. And taking test engine, join to both we have and test engine only. Fetch data, I will tell you. File here, see, file java.io, file input stream, java.io, HSF workbook, user model, HSF sheet, user model, HSF row, user model, HSF cell, user model, right. So test fetch corporation, no problem. Now here driver will not show any error now. Okay, right. Up to yesterday we wrote it only fetch property. It is showing error. So I will solve only fetch property only fetch property. Okay, right. Next return data also we wrote it xpath argument equal to xpath driver dot find element, right, find element by dot xpath, so argument 2, by dot xpath arg2, argument 2, argument 1 is over argument 2, argument 1 where we wrote argument 1, argument 1 is over argument 2. Next, driver dot find element, find element by dot xpath, by dot xpath find element, send keys value 1, just if I write, wait 1 second, send keys value, send keys value, okay, enough. Third step, up to now xpath it is showing error. Why it is showing error? Xpath argument 1 also it is showing error. Why argument 1, argument 2 is not showing error, argument 1 no, and that means here is semicolon required, no, argument 1, so nothing required, function bracket required, curling bracket, situ function bracket case xpath, wow, driver dot find element by xpath argument 2, argument 1 is over, argument 2 is over, string value, so right, oh xpath we didn't, okay, got it, url chrome driver ఈ property file we didn't create, so if you want to configure properties just copy paste, already we have property file, already yesterday we discussed property file, so here write it, copy, come to here, configure properties, control V, facebook.com, no, now I am giving google.com, I am going to google.com, easy, google.com, okay, keyboard file xpath, keyboard file xpath I will give, okay, keyboard file xpath and chrome driver right, click on property url http google.com keyword file path, keywords.xlx file path we should give, so element 1 here I am writing after url element 1 caps element 1 element 1 element 1 equal to google xpath I am giving, google search button xpath I am giving, google button xpath input at the rate input at the input at the rate name equal to name equal to name equal to q. Right. Okay, URL HTTP save. URL HTTP reusable function also save. Element to queue. XPath driver XPath I will give you, so we can run the sorry, just we can continue and we can complete this program. So after that, one more line we need to write. Public static string right now after two brackets, public static string. Just wait, after that you can get it. What is this concept? Simple, very easy concept. So this is very useful for Maven framework, keyword driven framework, as well as hybrid framework. So concentrate. Fetch prop, if it is fetch prop, fetch property string key 1, string key 1, properties prop equal to public static string properties prop equal to properties prop equal new properties. File input stream input reference stream I am giving input. Okay, next here I am writing already try block. Now I am writing try block. Try. What is try? Input to input equal to new file input stream system dot get property system dot get property user directory. No, not it, not this property. System dot get property, get property string key, string definition. Second one, here you should write user dot directory, user dot dir. Now path of the file, properties file path. Go and get the properties file path. Config properties, go to properties, just copy and paste. Oh god, it is too big. Copy, apply. Okay, give in double colons, control V. We should use double slash. Already we know property file, number of times we discussed it. All right. Any error now? Up to properties. Properties. Java.util. File input stream. File input stream. File input stream. File input stream. Properties. Java.util. Right. Up to now our code is ready. Up to now our code is ready. So here we should write one more point. P.load FIS. P properties PROP dot load. I gave what is that? Input. Right. Up to now code is ready. Next. Close the bracket. Next catch block I am writing. Catch file not found exception. File not found exception. File not found exception. Reference name E1 E1. I am giving E1 or any name. Try and catch block. Throw exception. E1 dot print stock trace. Print stock trace. Right. Up to code is ready. Close bracket. Return dot prop dot get property key1. All right. Up to now code ready. Close two brackets. Right. Enough. What happened? Return space property. P dot load FIS add throws declarations. Property file. Only one enough. Right. Save. Now under driver script we should write reusable function. Okay, config properties. Okay, not yet finished. So reusable functions fetch data it is showing error. Now it will go. So no need to worry. Come to driver script. So here concentrate. Driver script is very important. Okay, still saying so it will be successful. I will not say, but maximum I will try my level best. Oh, here is no main method. Driver script compulsory we should take main method. Driver script. Where is the driver script? Delete. Click on OK. Mute SRC, click the new class. Driver script, keep the mark public start admin, click on finish. Right. Main method, reusable function, reusable. FUNCTION, reusable function, RF, no space, reusable function, RF equal to new reusable function, new reusable reusable functions is equal to new reusable functions. Right. Next, string Yesterday we tried, but it is shown error, so we left. So keyword data equal to functions dot fetch data from Excel. Fetch data from Excel. Functions dot if ETCH fetch save 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 reusable functions. So same string keyword data just keyword data equal to functions dot fetch data from Excel. Functions dot fetch fetch data from Excel. Functions function change it to function. No functions. Okay, leave it. We can solve the problem. Into row number equal to keyword data dot length. Right. Next into cell column into column column number equal to keyword data zero dot length. Right. Why is function showing error? If I write function, no. Okay, leave it. After that we can check it. So string test case tc underscore name test case underscore name equal to keyword data right. Copy control v control v control v control v control v 00 01 02 03 04 step number test case underscore step number underscore step name function name locator. All right. String locator underscore value equal to keyword control V locator. Next locator underscore value 05. This is string. I give parameter 1 para m1 equal underscore value 6. Right. Next for loop for into counter 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 equal to 1 counter less than counter less than row number counter less than row number counter less than row number in row number counter plus counter plus string dot string content underscore function fn equal to key data keyword data counter 3. Why I am writing everything I will explain you, don't worry. So it need to success, it will be success string. Oh god. So here is string data contents copy string. Why it is showing error? Control V control V. Wait for int counter equal to 1 counter less than row number counter plus. Okay, up to string contents equal to contents underscore fn keyword data counter 3. Right. Next LC LCV test underscore if unction functions. Value. Okay, why it is showing error? We should find out 3, 4, 5.
It be capital, sir.
What, sir?
String S capital.
Right. It should be capital Y. Thank you. Number of times we wrote string, but so it's coming correct or not? Just really confusing. So that's the reason I'm not concentrating. Right. Why it is showing error? That is the only one reason. Okay. 3. Next next 3 compulsory we should write 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next test functions. Here is equals. Here we can get functions dot fetch data. It need to come dot fetch data. Fetch data. Okay. We need to create the fetch data. Something one function fetch data contents underscore LCV. LCV. Right. Next counter 6. Right. Keyword value, right. Last only 1 minute. Just next switch contents underscore fn case. First we need to launch the application. LAUNCH launch APPL. Right. Launch application. Next function dot application. FUNCTION function dot launch application. Launch 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 APPL. Next case fill text. Case fill text. Functions dot ction functions dot fill text. Contents underscore LC comma test comma contents underscore VAL. Over. Our programming part is over. So here is functions, it is showing mistake only functions. Okay, right. Property files here is no save only. We need to create the Excel file. Reusable save, it is saved. Next configure properties, driver script to save functions. It is showing error functions. Something is wrong. Functions. Launch application. Bracket begins. Bracket close.
Sir, here, switch case. It should be not semicolon, right? Colon. I think, I am not sure.
Switch contains is the curling bracket required. So
Case launch application, then colon, not semicolon, I think.
no.
No, sir, colon. Just remove the semicolon and write colon.
No. Wait. Launch application. This is right. Only one reason. Only function it is showing error, and only we need to create the data. Okay. So data, whatever we wrote, this is the concept is correct. So just next tomorrow we can